Welcome to GBI Cars and a walk around video of this stunning 2015 Mini John Cooper Works convertible. This car comes with a 1.6 petrol turbo engine and the manual gearbox, which is ULEZ compliant, producing 208 brake horsepower and while still returning up to 41 miles to the gallon. The insurance group is 36 and this is a two-owner vehicle, having covered just over 47,000 miles and comes with full service history. This particular colour is called the Midnight Black and it's in nice condition for the edge mileage of the car. As we have a look inside, this car has over £8,000 worth of factory options. The seats there have the lounge leather with the championship red, which certainly brightens up the interior. And then onto the dashboard, you have your multimedia screen there in the centre for your satellite navigation, DAB radio and Bluetooth. And then a few other features like I mentioned, this particular car has the heated front seats, climate control, automatic headlights and wipers, cruise control there on the right hand side of the steering wheel, and on the driver's door card there you have your controls there for the electric mirrors. Opening the tailgate there reveals the storage space with a cargo net there at the bottom. Externally, the car comes with the xenon headlights, rear parking sensors and the 17-inch black alloy wheels. This car's also been independently inspected by the AA, who've been through a 128-point check for your peace of mind. And you'll also receive 12 months AA breakdown cover, a 3-month warranty that you can extend up to 3 years, and we can help you finance the car with no deposit up to 5 years. So, if you have any questions or you'd like to book a test drive, then please do give us a call. The number's 01525 305 016. Thanks for watching.